WWE Universe is wondering.
No more waiting. Those the words of Braun Sturman earlier tonight on the kickoff show.
Driven, furious anger. That is Braun Sturman. That is what...
Victimize, conquer. But the question is, Roman.
Yeah, Brock Lesnar thanked Braun Sturman.
And there he is, a rare appearance on Monday Night Raw for the legend
other superstar in WWE history.
Burning a 20-plus year career.
Choke slam!
Here
We're
we go.
underway. Brock Lesnar off the ropes, and Undertaker strikes first with the right hands to Lesnar. And now it's Lesnar with the power in the belly of the Undertaker. Cena again going to look for the AA, trying to get the big man off his feet. Once again, John Cena can't do it. You react early on in the matchup.
Braun Sturman just stopped and Brock...
Incredible! Strowman again, manhandling
This is it.
Lesnar.
John Cena.
And the thing is, Roman Reigns put himself in
And
that
now
position.
Cena into these steps on the other side.
Straight right hand by the Undertaker, catching Reigns coming in.
Oh! Oh!
Man, what a Superman.
Took the words right out of my mouth, and Roman Reigns put his fist in Strowman's, but my God.
Lesnar dangerous as well. Lesnar. Oh, and there's a German suplex. Going to Suplex City. Again, a third time. Superman punch, Brock's down again. And Roman Reigns caught by up. AA position. There it is. Cena back to his feet. Now Cena with the side suplex to Strowman. Braun Strowman up. Cena's got him up. Can he deliver the AA to Strowman? He does. AA to Braun Strowman, who rolls out of the ring. But nothing like what has transpired tonight. The goosebumps of Undertaker coming down the ramp. And now the Flying Media go old school. Down goes Cena.
Roman wants to finish this in spectacular fashion.
And now Lesnar looking to put Roman Reigns away. An F5 to the... Oh, no, back on his feet. He's got Brock up. Position for the running power slam. Beat first. Braun Strowman again with Brock Lesnar up on his shoulders. Strowman looking for another. No way. And Strowman right back up, quick as a cat. Strowman trying to get at Undertaker. And now Undertaker with a choke slam. Listen to Heyman. Undertaker going for a choke slam on Lesnar. Undertaker with one last hit. Can he put Lesnar away?
Old Undertaker, stay down.
And wow, a spear.
To do it, he needs to do it right now.
Reigns punching, he caught him on the jaw. Cena back to his feet. Reigns caught. Cena caught Reigns. Another AA. Another AA. Cena going for the five knuckles shuffle, but Reigns into the Samoan drop. A fifth F5 on Roman Reigns. Number 5. And a third F5. Going for yet another F5. With more impact.
Look, there's not necessarily a long way to go, man. This thing's almost over.
Oh, and again, Lesnar planted to his feet, and just like that, spot.
With you.
Now look at this, Brock picks Strowman up. Brock picks him up, looking for the F5. F5 to Strowman.
Left to do.
Undertaker with Brock Lesnar up high, perhaps looking for the Tombstone Pile Driver.
Does he have the strength left?
Tombstone Pile Driver.
And again, that steel chair in the ring. Tombstone Pile Driver.
Goodness! Cena's going for a ride. Choke slam with authority.
How high?
Undertaker. Tombstone Pile Driver. Again. All right, Brock Lesnar counter. Brock Lesnar counter. A third and 5 to the Undertaker. 5 on Roman Reigns. No. 5. Reigns from behind. Smash. Over at Roman Reigns, you can see the Superman punch. Reigns caught Cena. Spear. Roman Reigns has done it.